Yes, Counsel.
Yes, witness. Can you tell the summary what your name?
We have his name. We have his Lagos address. We just need his address wherever he is now.
And what it is. Can you tell me what your current decision? What's the winners?
Pardon?
Can you tell summary what your current location and what you do for a living?
Currently, I am at 146 Dickens Court, Hartfield, United Kingdom. I'm a system analyst by profession.
Let's proceed to adopt his position.
You remember the post to SMS dated the 9th of August 2023?
Yes, yes.
You say a copy of it series for 9 days.
Yes.
Can you identify this as your statement or no?
You didn't give it to him? You didn't give him a copy?
Yeah.
Okay, so let him raise it up.
If you have a copy of your statement of oath dated the 9th of August 2023.
Oh, I only have the soft copy. I have not made the print out the hard copy. If the court could permit me,
Go on the way you want. Go on.
but I have a copy in a soft copy, which I can make available at any time.
You want to talk to me your statement of oath.
Yes.
What do you want the court to do with your statement of oath?
Yeah, all I want is for the court, the honorable court, to accept all the documents that will be presented by me through my legal
You want the court to adopt your statement of oath dated the 9th of August 2023.
Yes, will be adopted.
Yes. Yes. In that statement of oath, just adopted, you refer to some documents.
Yes.
Can you refer to this of documents dated the 14th of June 2024?
Yes.
Now, on that list of documents number 9 to 13.
Yes.
Save the documents and return to it.
Yes.
Now, where are the original copies of these documents?
Yeah, due to transit delay, that will be made is with me. I mean, I'll be sent through
The original
Dacia.
copy, hold on. The original copies of your documents, the letter dated the 29th day of August 2019. Are you returning for documents dated the 14th of June 2024?
Yes, yes.
Nweneka Counsel. There's a list of documents dated 8 September 2023. That is what you attached to his deposition.
No, my lord, ordered that he filed a list of documents, a combination, so that all have the parties can be on the same page. And that's one that he gave defendant as all the documents.
When did you file it? You said you have that. I'm not sure I saw that. Yeah. Okay. Yes.
That's documents from number 9 to 13.
Let him answer, please.
Yes.
The original copies of these documents are in the recipients.
Yes.
Yes. Can you please address the control panel? Where are the original copies of these documents?
The original copy, like I said, is I've been sent through DHL, and hoping that it will get to my
Witness, please, you are in court and you have to concentrate. You have the documents on your list of documents, item 9 to 13.
Yeah, it have been sent for filing.
The original copies of these documents, they are letters that you were sent out on your behalf. Where are the original copies?
They are with me. They are with me. I am in possession of the original copy. I wish I'd been sent to be tabled before the court to be accepted as my evidence. And some of the copies are with those that have been sent to the recipients.
Witness,
they are with the represent. They are
witness,
with
can
the.
you look at this document?
Sorry, I didn't get that.
Can you look at your list of documents dated 14th of June 2024?
Okay.
And pay attention to the questions, please.
That's that's a document 14, right?
Now let's look at
document 14.
9. Start from 9.
Okay, document 9.
Letter from Nweneka of Ogontebe and Co. Dated the 16th of September 2019.
Yeah, it's with the recipient. Yeah, that's sent to Gemovia, dated on the 16th of September. It has been sent to, and they receive it. Was acknowledged by the recipient in copy.
Now, number 10, the letter dated 5th of November 2019.
So the letter dated for that number 10 was also sent to the defendant, and was also acknowledged as received.
The letter dated 26th of November 2019.
26th of November. Sorry, that should be number what?
That's
3.
number 11. If that person will be received recipients.
Number 11. So the same number 11 was also sent and to the defendant, which was also received and as acknowledged.
Now, the letter dated the 13th of January 2020.
13th of January, yes, was sent, was acknowledged by the EFCC official.
And the letter dated the 19th of February 2020.
What number is that?
Number 13.
Number 13, yes. That's what I'm saying, that letter was sent by my lawyer to EFCC and was received and acknowledged by the EFCC official.
This one, not 60. And that's
Does he have a copy of this document?
this.
Because if the defense cannot cross-examine him, I'll strike off his evidence.
That's a copy of the
My lord, we shall be objecting to two of the documents. One is number 16, number 9, and number 12. On the list of documents.
Why?
My lord, the witness has stated that the letters were acknowledged. What we have and not acknowledged. We are not sure if this is what the witness is saying.
Mr. Tua, let's go to the probative value of the document. Doesn't affect the admissibility.
Allah, we are grateful.
Council, I can't see document number 4.
These documents are belonging to.
I can't see document number 4. You sent a bundle of documents. I'm marking from the documents you sent. It is not as such, it is not part of the documents you filed in court. If you have it, can I have it, please? Please, just give me that document. Please, Mr. Itua, do you have document number 4?
No, it's not part of.
It's not part of mine, too.
We have 3, we have 5. There's no 4.
Let me see. This is not document number 3. This is document number 3. This is not document number 4. You look at your list of documents, cancel. What does your document say? What is that?
Email to Timothy.
Yes. Where is the email? Where is the email? Yeah, this is the email. It's already attached. Whether in his own or mine. To give you the documents. So, it should give you all the documents. Yes. What it should give. Oh, these are the photocopied ones. These are the other ones from number 1 to. Yeah, sure. Excuse me. Yeah, sure. Now you better get the list of documents. The list is between you. You need to speak to you. Actually, number 4 is not in 5. Take it. Number 5 is not in 5. So I don't know how you do it. Only from the proceeding house. Okay.
So my lord, they must have come from
I don't know. I don't know. It's your document. I did not collect it for you. So whose fault?
My Lord, I have something to say.
You will say, just be patient. I'm recording your exhibits.
Thank you, sir.
Registrar, do you have the conditions of service? Let me see. What I have here is human rights policy. Is that the same thing as conditions of service? You don't have it. You don't have it.
No, my lord.
You don't have it there too.
Yes.
Some documents are not in this. CBL regulation. Can I have the reply to the query, registrar? Reply to the query. The last document. Can I have it? Do you have it? Counsel, can we have the reply to the query? What you exhibited is half of the document.
Yes, my lord. And what my lord will really stretch out. Put some attention, the attention of my lord to the fact that we have about 6 of the documents. What is it? And I apologize for that, my lord. It was sent via DHL, my lord. But I think because of the holidays, we couldn't get it before today, my lord.
I don't understand that. I don't understand that. Your case was adjourned on 25th April.
Yes.
Clear 2 months. DHL takes a maximum of 7 days. There are flights every day from the United Kingdom to Nigeria. Per 2 flights. She okay. You don't have to apologize.
I don't mean to the cloud. One month. Okay, please.
The documents are received, the evidence are marked as follows. Employment letter dated 25th January 2007 is marked as Exhibit 1. Registrar, you marking? The employment letter dated 1st July 2014 is marked Exhibit 2. Claimant's email dated 26th June 2018 to Francis Ekonyo, Exhibit 3. Claimant's email dated 29th October 2018 to Mr. Francis Ekonyo, Exhibit 4. Claimant's email dated 26th June 2018 to Jim Ovia, Exhibit 5. Claimant's email dated 8th February 2019 to Joanna Dim Wanedo, Exhibit 6. Defendant's letter of indebtedness dated 29th August 2019 to claimant, Exhibit 7. Claimant's end of service notification dated 29th August 2019, Exhibit 8. Claimant's solicitor's letter dated 16th September 2019 to Jim Ovia, Exhibit 9. Claimant's solicitor's letter dated 5th November 2019 to defendant, Exhibit 10. Claimant's solicitor's letter dated 26th November 2019 to defendant, Exhibit 11. Claimant's solicitor's letter to the defendant dated 13 January 2020, Exhibit 12. Claimant's solicitor's letter dated 19 February 2020 to the EFCC, Exhibit 13. Loan Agreement, Exhibit 14. CBN Regulation Number 3 of 2010, Exhibit 15. Query dated 19th March 2019, Exhibit 16. Counsel, I'm waiting.
I was saying that there is two copies of the documents.
You're not asking for the originals. You had already explained that the originals are with the recipients. So where are the copies you have?
Letter of queries to me. As I tell you, one thing.
The query is here. The reply to query is not there. Please, registrar, see, handed over the documents to you. Can you go to counsel? Because I asked for you to say you don't have it. So they will say they passed it on to the court.
Yes, my Lord, that's part of the documents I said I have experienced transit.
So why do you say you passed it on to the registrar?
That's not how.
Do you have any other documents you want to tender counsel, please?
Documents 1 to 7.
1 to 7 have been tendered and are marked. You're not listening?
So that's my Lord, but I was still at this one said, so very clear. That's the letter of the documents, and then it's something I'm not sure. That's the rules I say that the set.
I've not raised issues about the originals.
I mean, more.
Yeah. Mr. Animation, I think you should take an adjournment. You can't keep me. I can't wait for you. You had 2 months to prepare for this trial. So you can't keep me. This is, this, where's Mrs. Dillon? 2 hours ago. 2 hours ago. Do you have any other documents you want to tender counsel?
This one.
On the east. You should talk to me about it, not you. Give it back to her.
That the claimant's email to Elaine and Genovia on the 9th of April 2019.
Of what date? Can I have the document, please? Definitely. Definitely. Please give it to Mr. Itua. Give it to Mr. Itua.
But I know that confirm that the documents is an image to be revised. And I know there's no evidence for this witness. So which documents that?
It is listed, look at their document number 18 on their list of documents.
No, it's here and attached to the reply.
But the witness did not make further statement to tender this document.
That goes to the probative
And the court-
value.
And the copy of my lord.
Evidence not pleaded goes to no issue.
And the copy of my lord.
You can't prevent it from being admitted.
And the copy, please. My lord, no objection.
That positions of the that positions of the found military prosecution. Efficient for all the unions.
Can I have the document registrar, please? 17. The claimant's email of 9th April 2019 to Elaine and the certificate of authentication are received in evidence as Exhibits 17 and 18, respectively. Any more, please? Is that all for the claimant for now?
No.
I don't understand very well.
Witness. That one times that evidence is witness.
Hello?
What months are not possible for you?
Yeah, I want the Honorable Court to accept all the documents which I have tendered as my evidence for the proceeding of the court, and at the same time to grant me all that I've requested, as all the relief I've requested in the document. In my statement of oath and everything that I've placed before the court. My Lord,
Yes,
my Lord, I have this to say, and because you asked a question which I need to answer, and the question you ask is that who is to be blamed concerning item 4, the email to Jim Ovia on the 26th of June. My Lord, the copy of what was submitted before the Honorable Courts, and which the registrar acknowledged with stamp, shows that those things were received by the registrar. And if there's any of them that is missing, I think the registrar of the courts, because it's his duty to have cross-checked what was sent to him or received before putting the Honorable Court stamp. So that's 4. That's 4, because I did hear that that's item 4 has been accepted as an evidence as part of the exhibits. I rest my submit, sir.
that'll be all for this one.
Awesome. Yes. Are you ready for cross-examination?
Yes, sir. Once I'm ready, I'm wondering if I proceed. Given the fact that the witness
Proceed,
needs to-
please. We're online. Please proceed.
As
Because
the
I don't want
copy,
to go through this. That's why I don't like Zoom trials.
as the copy is on. Witness, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you loud and clear.
Very well. You have alleged in your statement on oath that you are the head of IT, or that you were the head of IT in the defendants. Is that correct?
Yes, head of IT before my resignation from the service.
Yes.
Is there any way in your employment letters where this is described, where you are described as the head of IT.
Can you rephrase it? Is there any document, not
As a company
employment
owner.
letter, when you join the company, it's not when you are promoted?
As a company. As a company is this. Do you have any documents showing that you are the head of IT in the defendant?
The document that should have been given to me was withheld by the organization itself, because there is no way a department will exist without the head taking up the responsibility of that department. And in that department, I was the senior, and in all the meetings, the executive meetings being held at the organization, I was the one that attend with other head of departments, including
Thank you.
Of the company.
Yes.
Do you have any letter of promotion to show that you were promoted to the head of IT?
I repeat, I said,
do you have any letter of promotion, please?
I was not given the letter because it was written in my
question, please. Another question, Council.
Yes, all right. Will I be correct to say that in your email to Mr. Francis Ekoni,
what exhibit?
October 29, 2018. October 29, exhibit 4. Now, will I be correct to say that in exhibit 4, you admitted that your monthly salary was 154,480 naira?
Please,
your monthly salary was?
And your monthly salary was 154,000 naira. 480. Sorry, 154,480 naira.
Please, if I get the question you ask, you said in my letter to Francis Okoye that my salary was a certain amount.
You admitted that your salary was 154,480 naira. Is that correct?
Please, I mentioned a particular figure, but I can't, except I have to look at the. But
look at the document there. Hold on, no, thank you, Mr. Francis, Mr. Anthony Afuye Cyrus. You have a copy of this document with you. Can you look at your email of 26th September? Can I have the exhibit?
Okay,
please?
sir.
Exhibit 4. Give me exhibit 4. Look at your email of 29th October 2018 and answer the question asked by the council, please.
Okay, sir. Okay, just I will answer now.
All right. So look at that particular letter and confirm to me that the salary you stated that is stated here is 154,480 naira.
Please, can I have my file, the original file? I don't see this. Council, where is this stated? Okay.
I can see
it. I can see it. I've seen it.
Okay.
Mr. Animation, find your witness, answer the question.
Yes, I'm good.
You don't have the luxury of time.
Because you have
yeah, that's yes.
Oh, all right. So, witness, I'll ask you another question. Will I be correct to state that between 2014 and 2019, you were issued several queries?
Yes.
Thank you. Oops. Yes, Control. Okay. Will I be correct to state that you were issued query as early as 2014 for abandonment of duty? The query is dated December 29, 2014.
Yes, I was issued a query.
December 29, 2014. He has confirmed that he was issued query for abandonment of duty. Will also be correct to state that disciplinary measures were meted out on you.
Pardon?
Will I be correct to state that disciplinary measures were meted out on you?
You'll be incorrect to say that disciplinary measure should have been meted on me, because my response to that query clearly shows that it was out of witch hunting, which was clear that there was no basic reason to bring up such a query, because my response shows that it was just all of attempts to get back at me. So no way such a disciplinary committee should have, because if you have the organization, because there's a disciplinary committee, they should have deemed me fit to do that. But my response shows that such did not hold water. I was just in futility.
All right. Witness, according to paragraph 5 of your witness statement on oath, you allege that you discovered manipulation of shares
sometime in 2017.
Is that correct?
I allege
that you discovered manipulation of shares sometime in 2017.
Yes, I sent a mail to Jimovia in respect of that.
Thank you.
Be the chairman of the company at that time.
Yes.
Will I also be correct to state that Mr. Simon Meruma issued you a query dated November 28, 2016.
Mr. Simon who?
Meruma, M-E-R-U
M-E-R-U
W-O-M-A, Meruma.
W-O
M-A, M for man, M-A.
Yes, let me have the question.
Okay, that he issued you a query dated November 28, 2016 for failing to follow.
Date of the query.
28 November 2016. And the purpose was for failing to follow strict parameters approved by the defendant's management in the declaration of
winners PLC dividend payments.
Yes, he issued me a query that I did not follow the parameter stated by the management. And in my response to that query shows that it was clearly not that the query should have not been issued. And this is same boys to the fact that, you know, Mr. Simeon, because of all that he has done, was just trying to get at me. And my response to that, it was just in futility. No disciplinary committee could take it up or look at it or summon me, apart from the fact that he made a letter which was abortive.
All right, witness. Will I be able to state that Mr. Simon Nweneka's query was in 2016, and your allegation against him was in 2017? Is that correct?
Sorry, I didn't get that very well.
The query issued to you by Mr. Simon Nweneka was in 2016. Your allegation against him was in 2017. Is that correct?
Sorry, it's okay. You said there should be a query on 2016.
And your allegation against him was 2017. Is that correct?
Was 2017.
Yes.
Yeah, he issued a query. The allegation against Simon did not start at 2017. It has started, and there's a plethora of things I've reported in for at the management meeting, which we always have on Monday, about his discrepancies, about his fraud, and some other things. But the one that became obvious was the one that I have to reveal and let out of the bag to the chairman of the company, which is Jim Ovia. Because all along he has been covering up some of the fraud he has been committing.
Thank you, witness. I would just like that you answer the question. Now, will I be correct to state that he resigned on July 29, 2019?
I resign when?
On July 29, 2019.
He resigned when?
On July 29, 2019.
That I tender my resignation letter, right? Yes, I tender my resignation letter.
Thank you.
Yes.
All right, witness. Will I be correct to state that you never stated anything about harassment or intimidation as a reason for your resignation? Yes or no?
It was clearly stated by me in my additional letter after mentioning some of the things, and I say and others. And others, I have to say that because I need to protect my life. I need to protect that, I need to say that because of where I'm going to work. So that's why I kept that just for safeguarding reasons. But prior to that time, all the executive directors and the chairman.
No more questions, counsel.
Please. All right, witness. Is the letter with you you have it with you? Is the letter with you?
The letter of my resignation.
Yes. Do you
I
have
don't
it
know
with
if
you?
the court can give me a few minutes to bring it out, because currently, as I'm standing here, it's not here. So but it's in my possession. I don't know if the honorable court can grant me a few minutes to get it out so that I can read it out.
All right, now I'll proceed to the next question.
We will deal with that. All right, no. Witness, will I be correct to say that on 15th of August 2019, you wrote a letter to the head of human resources
That
titled the retraction of my letter of resignation. Is that correct?
That I wrote a letter to the head of EFCC.
No, a letter to the head of human resources retracting your letter of resignation.
Yes, I wrote that letter based on the fact that
Human resources.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, I wrote that letter.
Is it also correct that you participated in an
interview?
Pardon?
Is it also correct that you took part in an exit interview? Yes or no?
That I took part in an exhibit interview.
In an exit interview.
Exit interview. Yes. Yes, I took part in an exit interview, where I stated.
Will also be correct to state that in your exit interview form, you did not state that you resigned due to harassment or intimidation. Is that correct?
That's why I said others. Because when the oral interview, it was, I said part of the things I said, and all the office, the HR have a copy of the fraud and every intimidation.
In
and
your
all the
exits.
Any more?
Yes, my lord.
How many more questions?
My lord, about 6 or 7, my lord.
You have to be fast. I'll stop you in the next 5 minutes.
My lord, I can come back.
Don't come back. I won't do this Zoom trial again.
I'll be copies. My lord, I'll be fast. But my lord, the witness should also help me. He talks.
Yeah, you're the one not helping yourself.
I'll be copies, my lord. I'll be copies.
You have too much time. That's why you're wasting time.
Is it true that you wrote a petition to the EFCC against the defendant? Yes or no?
Yes, I wrote a letter to EFCC.
Thank you.
Yes.
It's also true that the named persons in the petition have not been charged by EFCC. Yes or no?
I didn't get that, please.
The named persons in your petition.
Named persons in your petition, and they have not been charged by EFCC to date. Yes or no?
I don't know what. I don't know how they. I didn't know their operation. I don't know how.
Thank you.
Yes.
Is there a document of to show that
you went to the police to lodge a complaint of harassment and intimidation?
EFCC, I also consider as body of police.
Thank you.
Yes.
Will I be right to state that you took a loan from the defendant while in his employment?
I didn't take a loan.
You did not take a loan. All right. Thank you.
Yes.
The last set of questions.
I'm waiting, Council.
That's all for this.
Don't get that.
Registrar. Yes, Mr. Tua.
Yes, no. Well, this we just also this and we're asking for adjournment. When it was put our witness. Let me get from the
you.